Dear friends, welcome to the Tech Civil Learning. As you have seen in the thumbnail that we're going to provide you 1000 plus MCQ of the civil engineering related subjects so that you can crack any competitive exam very clearly. So without wasting time, let's start the series of questions. So I would like to just inform you that before attempting any MCQ, just you read the questions very carefully, understand the concept of the question so that you won't do any mistake at all. So let's start. Here the question is that the rock which are formed due to cooling of magma at a considerable depth from the earth surface. This means the those types of rocks which are formed due to cooling of magma at a considerable depth. Remember this point. This is the key point. Means considerable depth means higher depth. So that types of rock is nothing but the plutonic rock. So plutonic are those types of rock which are formed due to cooling of magma at a considerable depth from the earth surface. Similarly, then move to the next questions. Here the question number 2, the arrangement size shape of the constitute of the mineral grains of a stone, right? Means the means this means the shape and size of the constitute of minerals of the stones gives the information about its textures, right? Textures. Similarly, question number 3, the rock which are formed due to cooling of magma at a relatively shallow depth means low depth, that is nothing but the hypabyssal. So you need to remember that hypabyssal rock is those types of rock which are formed due to relatively shallow depth. At the same times, at the considerable depth, it is nothing but the plutonic rock. This one is plutonic rock. So similarly, move to the question number 4. The foliated structures is very common in metamorphic rocks. Here the foliated structures means those types of structures. Suppose this one is a structure, right? So those types of structures which can split easily, that is nothing but the foliated structures. So in the metamorphic rock, the foliated structures is very common. Similarly, let's move to the question number 5. Here the question 5 is a natural material of constructions obtained from rock by any suitable method. Either may be quarrying, right? That is nothing but the stone. Stone will obtain a stone from the quarrying, right? From the quarrying or from the rock. So stone will be the correct answer. Here the chemically marble is a type of, right? Here the sedimentary, argillaceous, calcareous and the siliceous. So correct answer will be calcareous, right? So correct answer will be calcareous. Calcareous is chemically means the presence of calcium. What? The presence of calcium is very high in the marble. So the correct option will be calcareous. Here the seventh questions. Quartzite is a, as you know my dear friend, quartzite is a metamorphic rock. But here according to the chemically quartzite, the presence of silica is very dominant. So the correct answer will be silica. Don't make silly mistakes. So let's move to the another question number. Question number 8 is that basalt. Basalt is either sedimentary, metamorphic, right? Extrusive and intrusive igneous. As you know, the basalt formed on the surface of the earth. Where basalt formed on the surface of the earth. So it will be the extrusive igneous rock will be the correct answer. Similarly, the color of statuary marble used for sculpture work is, that is the what types of colors used for the sculpture work is, that is nothing but the white color is used. So similarly here the question number 10 is, here question number 9 means while making the means what you call a statue of any sculpture, while making the statue of anything, we'll use the white marble, right? Means we'll use white marble. So here the question number 10 is, the rock having alumina or clay as the major constitutes is known as, here the clay or alumina consists of that is nothing but the argillaceous rock consists of a high amount of alumina or clay. So similarly question number 11, which of the following has the highest Mohs hardness number? That is nothing but the undoubtedly diamond. Diamond is the hardest material or hardest material in the earth. So the its what you call its hardness number is 10. How much? Its hardness number is 10. So the rock generally used for roofing is nothing but the slate. Slate is used for roofing purpose, while granite is used for flooring purpose, right? So here a good quality of stone absorbs water less than, my dear friends, this one is very important, means a good quality of stone should not absorb water more than 5%, right? So good quality of stone absorb water less than 5%. Similarly, let's move to the question number 14. A stone is rejected if it absorbs water more than. Here, the correct answer will be 15%. If correct answer will be 15%. If any stone absorb water more than 15% by its weight or of its weights, then we should reject the stone for the any construction purpose. So here the question number 15 is, a stone used for ornamental work is, it should be soft, my dear friends, it should be soft stone used for the ornamental work. Here the stone used for the constructions of retaining wall, means retaining wall subjected to heavy load, so the stone used for the retaining wall should be heavy, so the correct answer will be heavy. Similarly, let's see the question number 17. In stone masonry, the stratified, I have told you that stratified means that type of rock or stones which we can split easily. So in the masonry work, the stratified stones are placed, that direction of pressures to the plane of bedding is right angle. We should place the stratified rock to the means right angle to the plane of bedding. So the correct answer will be option A. Here now the question number 18 is, in arches, right, while making an arch, right, you as you know, as we are civil engineers, we should well know about the arches, right? So why in the arches the stratified stones are placed so that their planes are radial, Similarly, here question number 9, the tendency of a stone is to split along with cleavage. The correct answer will be option C. According to Nepal standard, in 1 cubic meter, the brick masonry or the number of brick required is 560. Similarly, according to Indian standard, it is only 500. How much? 500. My dear friends, it will be 500. How much? It will be 500. So let's see the another. Pick up the constituent of a good brick earth whose excess cause the raw brick shrink and warp during drying and burning from the following, means which of these constituents means while you put in the excess amount, it will cause the brick to shrink, here to shrink and warp. So that is nothing but the constituents of the lime. So lime should be placed in appropriate manners. The lime is responsible for the shrink and warmth in the brick. So the correct answer will be option B. Porcelain is used as sanitary wares. What? Sanitary wares. Porcelain is used as sanitary wares. Similarly, move to the next questions. Here the question number 23 is, the presence of sand in a brick earth prevents, of course their option C will be the correct answer, warping of the brick. So option C is the presence of or the presence of or the present of sand in the brick prevent warping of stone. The minimum compressive strength of first class brick is 75 kg per centimeter square. What? 75 kg per centimeter square or 7.5 Newton per mm square. What? Newton per mm square. Similarly, here for the second class brick is nothing. Sorry, my dear friends, for the first class brick, it should be 100 kg per centimeter square and 10 Newton per mm square. Similarly, for the second class brick it is 75 kg per centimeter square. For second class brick, the minimum compressive strength the brick should withstand is 75 kg per centimeter square. Similarly, let's move to the next questions. Question number 26. The question number 26 is, in the first class, here a first class brick immersed in water for 24 hours should not absorb water by its weight more than, right, 15%. Means while we put the water in the water, while you put the brick in the water for more than 24 hours or 24 hours, the water absorbed by the brick should not be more than 15%. Similarly, move to the question number 27. The main ingredient of a good quality of brick is, the main means the dominant ingredient in the brick is nothing but the silica. Means high amount of silica constitute in the brick. Similarly, let's move to the question number 28. Clay and silt content in a good brick earth must be at least, here the combination of clay and silt should be 15%. Here the clay and silt is the dominant, means constitute in the brick, so it should be 15%. So let's move to the question number 29. Here the question number 29, read the question very carefully. The portion of a brick cut across its width, remember those portion of the brick whose cutting should be along with width and having its length equal to half of the brick is known as, here I'll show you. Suppose imagine this one is a brick, right? This, sorry my dear friends, just wait a minute. Here suppose this one is brick, suppose this one is a brick. So as per the questions, if you cut the brick along with its width, right, and the length will be same, or the half, the length will be half. If you cut the brick will seems to be like this. This is nothing but this is known as what? Queen closure. So the correct answer will be queen closure. Here the correct answer will be queen closure. Similarly, let's see the question number 30. The portion of the brick without a triangle corner equal to half of the width and the half of the length is known as, means those portion of the brick without triangle corner is equal to half of the width and half of the length. Let's see. Suppose my dear friends, this one is full brick. Suppose this one is full brick. For king closure, it should be, suppose if you cut the brick, this one is full. If you cut the brick like this, if you remove this one triangle portions, and if you cut the half of the width and half of the vertical length, then brick will seems to be like this. It will be like this. If you remove these portions, this is nothing but the king closure. So the correct answer will be king closure. Here the question is king closure. Here the correct answer is king closure. So here move to the question number 31st. The refractory brick resist high temperature, right? These types of brick resist the high temperature. Sewer pipes are made up of stoneware. The correct answer will be option B. Glazing of clay product is done to improve the appearance, correct? To protect them from the atmospheric effect, correct? To protect them from corrosive actions. The correct answer will be all of them. So here the question number 34. The pog mill is used for, my dear friends, pog mill is used in what you call manufacturing of the brick. So the main function responsible for the pog mill is for tampering the brick earth, means it is used for mixing the brick properly. So move to the question number 35. Generally wooden molds are made from, here, sesame wood. Kiln which may be worked throughout the air is Hofmann's kiln. Correct answer will be option C. Plaster of Paris obtained by calcining gypsums. Here my dear friends, calcining is nothing but a heating of any materials below the melting point. That is nothing but the calcining. So plaster of Paris obtained by calcining or heating of the gypsum. So similarly move to the question number 38. For the manufacturing of Portland, here the question number 38 is, for manufacturing of Portland cement, the proportion of raw material is lime silica 36, 22 and other ingredient. Here the option A and B is the same answer. So option A and B will be the correct answers. So here the options both are the similar. So let's move to the question number 39. Good quality of cement contain high percentage of, that is tricalcium silicate. That is tricalcium silicate is nothing but the, that is tricalcium silicate is C3S. So the good quality of brick should consist high amount of C3S, right? That is 3CaOSiO2. So the good quality of brick should contain tricalcium silicate in the higher percentage. Similarly, let's move to the question number 40. Here in the question number 40, it is said that in cement in the cement the compound quickest to react with water, means while mixing water in the cement, which is the compound or which is the both compound which react immediately, that is nothing but the aluminate, that is tricalcium aluminate is those types of compound which react firstly or quickly. So tricalcium aluminate will be the correct answer. Remember this point. Rapid hardening cement contains high amount of tricalcium silicate. Correct. Initial setting of cement is caused due to tricalcium aluminate. Tricalcium aluminate is responsible for the first and initial setting of the cement. So thank you for watching our video. Will come with a high amount of questions in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.